Hi guys! Today I'll show you how to make spiced roasted sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are of course very healthy, and roasting them with spices makes them very tasty. I have 4 sweet potatoes that I've washed. Try to get potatoes that are around the same size, a kilo or a little over 2 pounds. First, heat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius. Peel the sweet potatoes. Cut the sweet potato in half and then into wedges. Put the cut potatoes in a bowl. Now we'll coat the sweet potatoes in oil and spices. I've ground up some cumin seeds, salt, garlic powder, ground cinnamon, paprika, cayenne powder, oil. You can use olive oil or vegetable oil. Coat the sweet potatoes in the spice mixture. Clean hands are the best tool for this. If you use a spoon, it's not going to get coated evenly. Make sure every piece is coated with the oil and the spices. Get a sheet tray. Pour a little bit of oil on it. Spread it. And put the sweet potatoes in a single layer. The 4 potatoes should just fit on one sheet tray. They'll have to fit because there's no way I'm using another sheet tray just for a few pieces of sweet potato. Now we can put these in the heated oven. We'll make a simple dip for the sweet potatoes. Here I have some Greek yogurt, very thick, high in protein and low in fat. Fresh lemon juice. And some chopped herbs. You can use parsley or cilantro. Salt. Keep this dip simple since there's so many spices in the sweet potatoes. Taste and add more lemon juice or salt if you need to. After 25 minutes, the sweet potatoes are cooked. I put them in the top rack of my oven and rotated the pan after the first 10 minutes. If you want them to be a little crispy, flip them over. You can see they flip very easily. There's no sticking to the pan. Because they're cut into wedges and large, they're easier to flip. Put these back in the oven for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I took the sweet potatoes out of the oven. They're golden on both sides. The spices have stuck to the sweet potatoes nicely spiced on the outside, creamy on the inside. The cool and creamy yogurt dip goes perfectly with these roasted sweet potatoes. Give these a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.